Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain why China had eunuchs. We'll explore their significant roles within the imperial court, which spanned over 2 millennia. These individuals were castrated to prevent them from having children, a crucial measure to safeguard the imperial bloodline and ensure loyalty. They performed various duties, from personal attendants to powerful administrators, deeply influencing court life and politics. Understanding their unique position helps us grasp a key aspect of ancient Chinese governance. Eunuchs in China weren't just servants. Their roles were incredibly diverse and often powerful. They managed everything from the emperor's personal chambers to the vast imperial treasury and even military logistics. Some rose to become highly influential figures, effectively running parts of the government, and sometimes even challenging the authority of traditional court ministers. Their proximity to the emperor gave them unique access and opportunities for power. The primary reason for castration was to allow men to serve within the inner palace, attending to the empress and concubines, without any threat to the imperial lineage. This practice was also seen as a way to ensure unwavering loyalty, as eunuchs often had no family ties outside the court. Interestingly, some men chose this path voluntarily, seeing it as a unique opportunity for social mobility and power within the imperial system. The long history of eunuchs in China finally concluded with the collapse of the Qing dynasty in the early 20th century. Their legacy is a complex one, marked by periods of dedicated service and significant contributions, but also by instances of corruption and political intrigue that sometimes destabilize the empire. It's a fascinating chapter in Chinese history, reflecting unique aspects of imperial power and social structure. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.